9 suspects have been arrested in connection with the refilling of illegal liquefied petroleum gas in Limuru. Now, the operation conducted by police was aimed at stopping the mushrooming of illegal filling stations. According to area police boss John Gashomo, the illegal filling station would be demolished.
These guys are serious, eh? The dangers of such illegal outlets or illegal gas filling outlets is that you get other weight for your gas cylinder. For example, if the gas cylinder is supposed to be 5 kilograms, you may end up with getting only 2 kgs. So you lose your money. Maybe after 1 or 2 weeks, the gas is over. Number 2, the safety of the gas that you're going to fill here. The safety gadget is not standardized. There is no standard measure. So once you have this gas in your house, the gas leaks. So unfortunately, if you light a match, the whole house may go up in flames, killing